As we are talking about summers, and nowadays summers are scorching, and when it comes to holidays, now this is the time that children would be very happy, and parents would be a little bit busy with their children because sometimes it will be really a daunting task for parents because from school they get lots of holiday homework that
Mhm.
is not of that level that children can do themselves, but
Of course.
it is the tendency of today's that they have to done by hook or by crook. But when it comes to holidays, no, so I always remember my summer holidays, my old holidays. That time it seems that really that were holidays because that time we enjoyed a lot and we lived how we just want to live. We spent our day as we want.
Yeah.
There were not so sophisticated life that time, no. So I really loved those days when we used to get 2 months holidays.
Two
Did you
months?
also used to get two
No,
months
no,
holidays?
no. Only 1 month. I used to get earlier in my school
Okay.
time.
Means mostly it was for May and June.
See, if it is like really scorching heat. So nowadays, I have seen that in schools, what they do, they just just allow the holidays little early. Let's say 15th of May and 18th of May.
Yes.
But in like I as far as I remember, so I don't think that we never ever like got such a long span of holidays. Never like one month it was totally sufficient.
Okay, don't you think that it should be there should be less homework according to students and according to parents as well? It
For
should be
summer
it
vacation.
should be like yes. Summer holiday
Mhm.
homework should be in this manner that they can be able to complete by themselves only, and otherwise uh, they can just feel the happiness of summer. That how holidays are celebrated.
Yeah, but I think if we compare, our previous time when we used to be a like student and used to go to the school and used to get the work, then we would get, I think, like numerous work, writing the things again and again. I remember I used to get the homework like, write down it 10 times, question answers, as far as I remember. It was really lengthy to write down. But yes, one thing we used to do, like being a student, I used to do like I most of the time just I would complete my work. Like let's say 10th
Hmm.
of June, 15th of June, up to 15th of June. And that time I would like complete all my work and I was like good to go. I would enjoy my day, everything. But nowadays, sorry for the interruption. So nowadays I think it's really less homework. I don't think that students are taking really seriously they just don't take it seriously because now we have technology. Now we have Google,
Yes.
YouTube, right? So many platforms we have. So they just get their work done. Whatever the kind of assignments they are getting, I'm talking about the students, so they can just get it done. I think in just a
That is the
jiffy.
thing. Yeah, that is the thing I just want to discuss. That nowadays, children are not exploring themselves.
Hmm.
During holidays also. Because what happened previously, if children got holidays. So what they do, they just visit to sometimes nanny's house or other
Hmm.
relatives' house.
Yeah,
They
right.
used to be very social, and when they used to be very social, so they come to know how they can make a healthy atmosphere to live, how they can maintain a good relationship with others, with their neighborhood and with their neighbors, and how they can learn something new with other persons, like with other children like their cousin.
Yeah,
They
right.
nowadays they don't get much time. They are totally entangled in doing homework assignment and in playing video
Video
games
games.
and
Yeah.
other gadgets. Their world is full of gadgets only. Otherwise, they are between the books. Otherwise, they are in mobile between their gadgets. They
Yeah.
don't want to explore themselves. They don't want to utilize their time with their cousins, friends,
Mhm.
and neighbors. They don't want to play extraordinary things. Like outdoor games. There are
Mhm.
rarely very few students, very few children who would love to play like a cricket, badminton. Otherwise, when there were not so types of games and gadgets, so that time mostly children used to play out of their home.
Yeah,
Some mostly
this is really true. Really true. Nowadays it is like we, being a parent, being a teacher, we sometimes deliberately we try to arouse such kind of interest within the kids, within the students, or else they are totally, enveloped in, watching video games, playing video games. This they do because totally they are just dedicating their time in this. But talking about going out and playing outdoor games, so nowadays it's a kind of dream. So many parents, even I also want my kids to go out and then play something because they are really,
Yes,
inclined towards watching whenever they get time. Let's say, so they are playing. They are using the screen and playing games. There are so many games online, so they are really interested in that. So yes, nowadays it's a arduous task for us to make our child
yes.
understand the value of going out and doing such kind of physical activities, how much this is important for us as we earlier used to do being a child.
Really, it happens once in a blue moon that any children says that Mama, today I'm going to play outside. I don't want to play with mobile.
Yeah, because they cannot neglect that. They cannot neglect. It happens.
Hmm.
What about your kids? Are they interested?
Yeah, they are also like a kind of this generation. They are also in mobile, but somewhere I have just made them indulge in other activities also. Make them indulge, yeah.
Yeah, because it's
Like
really important.
Ludo, carrom.
Yeah. We like, I would not say being a like child, we used to do such kind of indoor games like Ludo, as you just said, and cards, Ludo and Carom. Even like adults also, like the elderly people, they were really inclined to play such kind of game, sitting at home and then sometimes just to persuade their mind so that they just don't feel like stressed and worried about anything. They are like somewhere they were unwinding. They used to unwind themselves like
Yes.
this way. Mm.
Yes. Actually, previously children were used to have a great relationship with their elders one, like grandparents,
Yeah,
grandmother. They used
true.
to talk to them and they used to play with them, and they were fond of listening their beautiful memories. But nowadays they don't show that affection that they have, but they can't show them
Yes,
because
because
they are always busy in other works.
yeah, there is,
There is one particular world of their imagination.
yes, and there is no fondle between them,
Mm.
and yes, it's really prevalent nowadays, just because of such platforms, social media and all. Because it's not about only kids. They are doing being like a parent, teacher, like adults also really prone towards watching such stuff, scrolling videos and all. Really, just I can say just taking out time and doing such kind of things. Whenever they are getting time, they are doing such kind of things. So that's not good for their
Yes,
health as well. It's not about just maintaining the relationships between a parent or a child. It's about maintaining and taking care of your health. That we are somewhere, we are not really, aware of this. Like we know that, but we don't want to implement. That we need to take out some time, quality time, and sit with the kid and ask something and just share a few like quality time.
really. If we just want to mitigate this screen time, so we should come forward with our time. We have to spend our precious time with them.
Yeah,
That time only they will come to know that what is the use of proper vacations. But condition is that there should be sufficient time to parents also.
Yeah,
Nowadays they are also working, they are also entangled with their own work,
yeah, right.
so sometimes they are not able to take out proper time. But for the sake of children, we should fix at least one day, any day, Sunday or any day. That time we can utilize our precious time with them. In this
Yeah,
way,
right.
we are making good memories for their future.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. But nowadays it's quite difficult. Like yes, we know it's really prominent thing to be considered by the parents, taking out time and then sit with their child and then just spend the time, but they are not doing so because somewhere they are like I think there is a there are I think some responsibilities they are loaded with. So this is the another problem
Hmm.
that a father has to do so many work if he is the breadwinner of the family. So he's not like taking out time because of his busy schedule. This also happens, but nowadays just because of social media. And yes, there is one thing like we are like discussing such things, but it is we also doing the same thing. We are on the same page. Like
Yes.
there's a saying, easier said than done. That yes, it's it's really
Yes.
harder sometimes to take out time and then sit with the kids as we all also really occupied with our own work. If the
Hmm.
mother is also like working, so yes, it's little hard.
Really. Yeah, actually, I also love one thing in terms of giving quality time to them. As I told that we can give quality time by spending quality time with them. And other thing is that the initiative that schools are taking, that is also commendable.
Mhm.
Previously, there were not such kind of thing that is called summer camp. But nowadays this wonder has come that now in every schools there are summer camps. So in some schools they are just conducted for 15 days, and in other school they are conducted for 1 week. But in order to give proper entertainment and good development of child, whether it is physical or skill wise, but they are learning something or on the other on the pretext of summer camp, because
Yeah,
in
right.
this way they are just coming out of their zone. They are
Mhm.
broaden their horizon, that how they can build up their skills, like in brainstorming. Some are interested in swimming, so swimming classes are there. Some are learning taekwondo, and so many things are there in summer camps. So many activities are there. So
Mhm.
those who don't want to do something at home, so within the period of this summer camp, they can explore themselves, and
Yeah,
it will
right.
be really good memories, because whatever they do with their peers, with their friends.
Mhm.
So it is also a good initiative from schools.
Yes, nowadays it's really prevalent. But earlier, like when we used to be a student, there was nothing like these kind of things. I don't think so. Like
Yes.
because there's a drastic change. I think in 2 decades there's
Hmm.
a big change, and now it's like just showing up in so many schools, especially in affluent schools. So they just they conduct such kind of summer camp, and students are really interested to take part. Even parents, they are also really excited to send their child in such summer camps.
Yeah. Actually, as a parents, we know very well that what are the positive areas of our children, in which they are good at. So during summer vacations, we can just enhance their skill.
Mhm.
For example, my son is interested in swimming. So last year, what I do, not this year, last year I just made him admitted in swimming classes for 20 days, and he had learned swimming very nicely,
Mhm.
and very interestingly. So in this way, we should recognize that what is the particular skill of our words, and we can motivate them to learn something new.
Exactly.
If somebody, if any children is interested in learning how to ride bike or how to ride bicycle, so they can utilize their time in learning and in grasping new skill. So
Yeah,
that
for
would
this
also
it's
be good.
yeah, for this it's really like plays a crucial part. But some parents, what they do, like I would not say it's and they should not be taking it otherwise. But it's also really in trend that we somewhere compare our child to others, and due to that, just we send our child in such camps like purposely. Like we have to send them.
Mm.
The student and the kid is reluctant to learn that particular skill. It could be any skill, but since the parent is really interested, so they just want their child to go ahead, take part in that, and like just get the hang of it, and he just
Yes,
upskill
children is
themselves.
doing some, yes, if children are doing something willingly, so that time they are going to get result. But unwillingly, if you are forcing them to learn something, so that is not good. Actually, after all, we are doing everything for our children, so we should think that where their interest goes.
Mhm. Yeah.
Otherwise the holidays and any skill will be burden for them.
Yes, exactly. So yes, there we need to understand about our kids' need, their willingness, their interest, and what kind of because yes, there are so many skills. But if I tell you, like the if the student is like the child is interested in specific, let's say the karate or dancing, so yes, a
Mm.
parent need to send their child in that if he or she is interested in this, or else if he's not
Yes.
trying to take part in that, so just stop this, because deliberately you want to have your child understand and learn that, so it's of no use that time.
Yes. And apart from that, as we are here practicing spoken English, we can also make them learn some ready-made sentence that they can use in their school, and they can upskill themselves. Suppose if there are 30 days holidays, in 30 days, if they learn 30 structure or 30 sentences, so it will be good for their spoken
Yes, it
and
is,
it
but
will
not
help.
every student or the child is interested in that.